22, back out with the Xtm. This is a 4S pass. It is parallel. Just want to try that for the first time. Also, my son broke one of my front mounts. If y'all can see that, I had to make my own. Y'all know how it go. So anyway, GPS zeroed out. Timer started. Just want to see what it do on this parallel. I think last time I got 79 on 4S. Let's see what it do. I might have a car coming in. Sorry about that, man. Alright, y'all, sorry about all that. We coming down. Got a car coming on both sides. I want this car to... How's it going?
Watch you all the time, bro. I fucking think it's badass.
For real? Thanks, man. Appreciate that.
You changed the body on it recently?
Nah, this is a different one. Yeah. It's electric.
Electric?
Yeah.
It goes that fast? Oh shit.
Yeah.
That's awesome, man.
I hit 86 right now.
Get out of here.
Yeah.
That's what's up, man.
Yeah.
Have a blast, bro.
Same to you, man.
Tell us, tell us.
Yeah, I hit 86 on that pass. Not bad for us. Probably would still get it to 100. So it's gonna be the next mission. This right after the run. This a brand new 4S. Oh, that was all my fault. I put a 3S in here with the 4S parallel. That's all my fault right there. Yo.